If you're looking for a good smart security camera that won't be affected by poor wireless signal, this could be the device you're looking for. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. The box includes a user guide, a template for mounting the camera, for screws and wall anchors, a waterproofing kit for the cabling, an adapter, and an EZVIZ C8PF camera. Capable of a 340-degree horizontal pan and 80-degree tilt, the EZVIZ C8PF effectively has 360-degree panoramic coverage, thanks to the wide lens. The dual-camera system enables 8x mixed zoom. An AI-powered human shape detection can be configured in the app for various alert notifications. For 24-hour detection, the camera has IR night vision of up to 98 feet. There is also a two-way talk feature, thanks to the camera's built-in microphone and speaker. The EZVIZ C8PF supports microSD cards with up to 512 GB capacity. You'll find the EZVIZ C8PF camera has one cable that splits into an Ethernet port and a 12V DC input. You have various options for attaching the camera, reflected in the mounting bracket. The 4 included screws can be used to mount the camera either to a ceiling or to a wall. As is usual with the current generation of home security cameras, the EZVIZ C8PF requires pairing with a mobile app from EZVIZ. This ensures a wireless network setup and enables you to view live or recorded footage from the camera. This can be done once the camera is powered up, prompted by a rapid flashing blue LED and a periodic announcement from the camera urging you to pair with the app. In terms of features and functions, the app has it all. There are controls for pictures, a remote to adjust the camera angle, settings to define the sort of alerts you want, and even the option to record and take photos manually. With the EZVIZ C8PF, you get a cloud storage trial, with 2 main packages, 7 or 30-day storage, to upgrade to. The camera performed well. Among its features is the ability to have it bark commands at intruders, instructing them that they should leave the area. If that doesn't deter them, the device is loud enough to wake neighbors if the mobile app doesn't alert you first.
Secure area. Please leave as soon as possible.
Are you worried about cats? Don't be. The EZVIZ C8PF detects human shape really well and prefers larger humanoid bodies over small, feline ones. You'll be able to access the footage through your mobile device or smart screen in up to 1080p high-definition video. Overall, this is a competent piece of smart home security kit. This is a camera that can monitor your property, issue warnings to intruders, and initiate alarms. Or you can keep it in silent mode and receive mobile alerts for perimeter infractions.